use. So first we got a Bubbleezz. I heard these have mini surprises or charms. I don't know what it is yet, so I'm gonna open it. It's so cute! It's like a little lion with a unicorn horn. And then we have like little wings. Oh, it's so cute. Look, you can see some charms. It has like Orbeez in it. It's so cute. Okay. Dude, it's jiggly and it's a jumbo size one actually. So it looks like we have a green rainbow. And like a diamond or a heart. I don't know what this is exactly. And it should come with one more charm. Let's see where it is. Oh, there it is. Right there. I think it's 2 mini stars. So, yeah. It's really cute. It's so nice to squish. Listen to this. That sounds so weird. It's so cool. It looks like it has like a mini tab at the bottom. I'm not sure. So it says it's an original Series 1 Jumbo Bubbleezz. Revealed 3 charms. I got the 1 rainbow, 1 color rainbow. And it says here.
What is your 1 color rainbow?
Green.
Let's see it.
1 color rainbow. Which was the wings. Alright, so here it says, Bubbleezz live in the squeezy world of wonder and fun, Bubbleverse. Each Bubbleezz contain charms and secret messages that are clues to their unique personalities. And they can be other creatures. Like mine, I have a lion unicorn thing. But it's so cute. Reminds me of a drum. So here we go, our Bubbleezz. So now it's on to our next toy review. So we'll just set this aside when we're to take a look at our Bubbleezz. Now we're going to do our make your own Galaxy Slimygloop. So I'm going to take my zero here and find where to open it. Like my last video, it does the same thing with our sunset Slimygloop. It looks like some of that coloring spilled. So it comes with 1 white glue, a measuring cup, our mixing stick, a spoon, our sodium, 2 colorings, blue dye and purple dye, glitter, and the instructions. So let me get my bowl here. So now I'm putting my glue. Alright. So gosh, it open. Now I pour it in. And too much stuff. I don't want to use too much because we don't want this to finish. That should be enough right now. Because I'm going to do 2 colors. So first I'm going to start with my purple. So 1 drop should do enough. I'm going to take my mixing tool here and I'll mix it. Ooh, it's a beautiful pink. But I'm going for purple. So let's put in another drop of my purple. I'm not even following instructions. Just doing what I want. Because to me, making these are easy peasy. Maybe this should be enough. Alright, to me this is a nice purple. Then I'm gonna take my best friend. Cause glitter is a girl's best friend, but diamonds is a girl's dream. It's my motto. That's some of them glitters. There we go. Just mixing in. Just like that. Then I grab some water here. I'm gonna crush up some water. Don't eat this. Please don't. This can really hurt you, just like borax can. That should be enough. Now I'm gonna take my spoon here and I'll mix this up. So I dropped 5 more drops of coloring to make it look a little bit more dark. Now I'm gonna put in some of these. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. That should be enough for right now. Make sure doing. Like once you put it in, it just automatically turns to slime. Only a little bit. Not too much. Because then it'll become all clumpy and junky. And no one likes that. Maybe some people do, but I don't. So how you know that their slime is really good is that it cleans your bowl. So mine isn't cleaning my bowl, so it's not actually slimy yet, but it's getting there. So after this one, I'm gonna make a blue one and mix them together and see if it will actually turn out Galaxy. because Galaxy's my favorite thing to look at. And favorite color if it is. So, my first one that I tried without the instructions didn't come out so well. It came out really sticky, and now I did this with the instructions. It's just really breaky and not the slime consistency I like. See, and it really glitter on my. So I'm gonna try one more, which is the blue, and I'm hoping that turns out good.
So are you gonna follow the instructions to do the blue one or not? You're not following, you're gonna try to do it yourself, your way?
Following the instructions, you need this.
Okay, let's go for it.
Measured my glue to 16. And put this in. Don't be too slow on me. I'm gonna use a teeny bit of water, not too much. Mix it around. I don't want to use too much of one. Then I'm gonna take my blue dye. I'm putting my blue. This is a beautiful color. Okay, one more drop. There. Mix it around, mixy. Really fast, because my hand can go really fast. Then I'll take some of my glue glitter, which is not also be half. So you only want a little bit of glitter, not half of the package that they asked for you to use? No, because that's going to stick to my hand. So last drop of this blue. Blue is a beautiful color. There. So mixy. Then let's see if I can activate this at the studio. Let's hope this works. I want it in a nice consistency, like something that does not stick to your hand, stretchy. So mostly for my review of this, it's coming up to a 3 right now. Hold up, how much? Out of 5. Because it's like so chunky and not optimal. And then it just gets too chunky like this one, it's not going to be good. So to me it's not turning out. So are you going to put more and try to finish it, or are you just going to give up on it? I'm going to try a little bit more. If it doesn't work, then this is just going to I'm just going to give them a 0. They're going to be better at their jobs. So this is coming out a little bit good, like not too much. But yeah, I think my slime is good. All you need to do is use glue, detergent, and baking soda. And maybe we'll do that for our next video. Who knows?
So you say when you make it using those ingredients, it turns out nice. A little better than this one?
Yeah.
From the package?
Yeah. But if you leave it out, then of course it will get dry really quick.
Mm-hmm.
So you're not putting it in a plastic bag.
So are you going to try to combine them now or not?
I don't think so, because this purple isn't good and this is a little bit good. It's just a little sticky.
Well, let's just try it and just see the end result and
yeah, I'll try a little
just
piece.
give it your final thought.
So I'm going to use a little bit of this one and this one to mix together and see if we become Galaxy a little bit, just like the box says. This is not going good at all. See, like the purple is like water slime, but really breakable. And not good. So this kind of looks like Galaxy Slime just a little, but not as much as I expected.
Okay.
But I have to say this blue is kind of better than this purple. So watery and jiggly. Yeah, I'm doing my final review. So, I'm giving this a 3 out of 5. It's not the best thing, but I kind of like it. And if you want to see my next video, making myself my own household things. And yes, here we go. We have our Galaxy Slimygloop. Get it at Michael's. If you can make it work, comment down below how to. It's from Horizon Group USA. And have a nice day. Bye. Subscribe, put down in the comments if you know how to make this, and put a thumbs up. Goodbye.